Hello everyone, if you want to know how you can enable the new Windows 11 25H2 features that make your start menu look like this and also add in a new battery percentage icon, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to enable the new hidden features on Windows 11's 25H2 update. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to go on to this link. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video. You're going to scroll down and you're going to download the VIVETOOL 0.3.4 Intel AMD version. And then you're going to open it up. You're going to extract these files to any way you want. So I'm going to extract them to desktop for now. I'm going to name the file VIVETOOL. And then I'm going to open up my file explorer. I'm going to go to the VIVETOOL folder. I'm going to copy the location. And then I'm going to open up the start menu. I'm going to write here command. I'm going to right click on command prompt, go into run as administrator, click yes on here. And then you're going to write cd and you're going to paste the location of your VIVETOOL folder. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put in all of these commands. So this one is for the new start menu. And after you put in this command, you're going to press enter. And then you're going to put in this command. This will enable the new feature bundle. And after that, you're going to put in this command. This will enable the new battery and percentage icons. And after you put in all three of these commands, what you're going to do now is you're going to go ahead and restart your computer once. And once you're done restarting your computer, you'll notice that your start menu will be looking like this. So there it is, guys. That's how to unlock the new hidden features on the Windows 11 25H2 update. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.